One of the key things that business owners ask is how to protect themselves from third parties, and especially those who are engaged in activities that are criminal in nature. One of the ways that we advise people to manage their risk is to ensure that when dealing with third parties, that their relationships are moderated by contracts. And these should be in written form, such that the contract clearly stipulates that this is what is expected of me, this is what I should do. If there's a payment to be made, I should make it at this point. This is the number of payments that I should make to be able to receive this. So one measure of protection against fraudulent transactions would actually be to have a system by which you contract with any third parties. A second level is to have the necessary measures internally to protect yourself. For example, setting up an accounts department. As businesses grow, founders quickly realize that their mind capacity is to a limited level. You can only remember so much. So if a creditor comes to you and say you didn't pay me, if you do not have sound records, then it becomes difficult for you to determine, and you could be taken advantage of. So put in place the right structures. Finally, and the Companies Act recognizes this, undertake audits periodically. Now, usually you'll find that audits are done on an annual basis. There are those sometimes who would want to do project-based audits, but always carry out an audit that helps you check. It's like a check and balance to determine whether you have paid appropriate people, whether those payments are properly backed by documents, and if there has been fraud, where is it to be found from? So these are some of the measures that a business owner can take to protect themselves against fraudulent transactions.